Al-Battani was a well-known Muslim astronomer and mathematician of the Middle Ages. His Kitabaljus, which was eventually translated into Latin and cited by numerous medieval astronomers, including Copernicus, is a very well-known work. Al-Battani also made the most significant discovery that is acknowledged by European experts and has a significant impact on human life. He discovered that there are 365.24 days in a year. He was even hailed as the finest Islamic astronomer of the Middle Ages for this accomplishment. Around 858, Al-Battani was born in Turkey's Harran, close to Urfa. He is known as Albategnius in Europe. Abu Abdullah Muhammad bin Jabir bin Sainan al-Raqi al-Harani al-Sabi al-Battani is his full name. Al-Battani has had a keen interest in the field of astronomy that his father works in since he was a little boy. He was resolved to study astronomy because of his interest. His family relocated to Raqqa after he reached 20. Al-Battani started conducting research and became more active in his astronomy studies in his new location. Mathematician and astronomer, Al-Battani furthered his enthusiasm for astronomy in Raqqa when he started reading Ptolemaic writings from the past. He made a significant discovery, the aphelium, while researching astronomy. The Earth makes its furthest point each year round the sun at aphelium. According to Al-Battani, Ptolemy's description of the sun's diameter's position in space was incorrect. Additionally, his conclusions diverge from the theory advanced by earlier authorities on ancient Greece. During the height of the Abbasid dynasty, led by Harun al-Rashid, Al-Battani had a growing amount of freedom to study the antiquated Ptolemaic texts. The Abbasid dynasty gave the order to purchase as many books as possible to be translated after Rome's fall in Western Europe. Al-Battani ultimately made a contribution to the development of Ptolemy's theory and the improvement of the solar system. Additionally, his findings were able to enhance Ptolemy's axial tilt measurement. Al-Battani then discovered through a series of observations that there are 365.24 days in a year. After making a number of observations, he had an interest in mathematics. In 918, the introduction of the use of trigonometry is our greatest. Battani's contribution to mathematics, his invention, advances our understanding of more difficult mathematical operations and is still in use today. Al-Battani he away in 929 after dedicating his life to science, particularly astronomy and mathematics. He passed away while returning to Baghdad from Kar al-Jassi, Iraq. Later, he was referred to be the founder of Islamic astronomy. In the Middle Ages, Christopher Clavius, a German mathematician, later used his accurate discovery that there were 365.24 days in a year to enhance the Julian calendar. The Julian calendar was updated with fresh calculations with Pope Gregory XIII's approval and started. Being used in 1582, the Kitabaal siege, which contains a summary of his ideas, has also been translated into a number of other languages and is used as a reference by Western astronomers and astrologers.
Thanks for watching my channel.